So my project is a little web application. I was inspired by Eric's Code Paradise project, and I thought, well, I'll have a little go because I'm not very good at web applications. But the bit that I wanted to show you was how to deploy the web applications, because obviously as soon as you write something a little bit like this, the first thing everyone wants to do is see it on a server somewhere. But I'll just quickly type something in here and just log in to show you the application. So it's just sort of a little spelling application for my daughter, and the idea was you could run it, and then you have to type a word in. But because I don't like this, let's try and just make a quick change. I just want to get something changing so that, so in this template here, why don't we change it from speller to ESUG speller? So if I just save that, and you'll see that it has updated here, and maybe the style, we should perhaps change the style there maybe. Well, to be honest, I won't bother with that. I'll commit. I just want to commit something right now so that we get something building in the background. So if I go to here and I just thank you for the tools that do all of this, by the way. So you can see there's my change. So I'll just say ESUG change, and I will commit that. Hopefully this will work. Okay. All right. So I just want to make sure that it's building over here. So if we go. I'm using GitLab. I haven't used GitLab in a long time, and I have to say it's really fantastic, actually. It's got, I think GitHub gets all the fame, but GitLab had a lot of this stuff going on a long time ago. So what I wanted to do is, I've got a pipeline here, and you can see that it's starting to run. So you can see I've got 3 phases: just build, test, deploy. I just want to leave that running in the background. I'll talk a little bit about the project, so you'll see that that's kind of churning away. I'm not using Smalltalk CI. I'm just using a couple of shell scripts. They're like really, really simple. So I just wanted to quickly show you that while it's happening. So if I go back to my lesson tutor thing here, you'll see that I've just got some scripts. So I've got a build script, and it basically just runs Pharo headless and just runs a script. So all it's doing is just loading all the code and running the tests, and it just pipes the output to sysout and just look for any errors in that. I have to say that I was running this and I was using the BA Smalltalk tools, and I was getting errors, and Smalltalk CI wasn't detecting those errors. So I talked to those guys and said, there's something wrong here, and I don't know, hopefully that's got fixed in Smalltalk CI, because it should really detect unload cleans. But anyway, it's a very small little script that's running in the background. If I go back to my application over here. So so basically, you can just create separate little things here, and you can type some stuff in, and the idea was to type some words in. My daughter could run the tests, and it would she would try and spell things, and it would just give her a little bit of a way of running by herself. Just a quick piece, obviously you saw Eric do his demo before. Obviously, you've got views here, so I've got a bunch of views that created this thing. The one bit I wanted to call out was a lot of people are talking about web components. Web components, I don't know anything about them, but Eric has been teaching me these, so they're pretty cool. And they're really easy. I thought one of the things I'm using in my template was this details piece, and it was really easy to do it in Code Paradise. You just, SL details. So I'm trying to show you the actual code. Basically, you just fill in a few things, and it kind of works. And there's a really cool site called Shoelace, which has got all of these funky web components. And Eric's provided a lot of them already, but I just subclassed, so those 4 lines of code added this details piece. So hopefully, in the background here, what I wanted to quickly show you was what was building in the background here. In my build pipeline, hopefully that has sort of slowly worked its way through. Oh, just now, yeah. So it's just passed. So it's done tests and deployed. And what I wanted to show you was that actually, this is actually deployed on a server now. So I found this site called render.com, which will just host containers like Docker containers, and GitLab will let you push your code. So the BA Smalltalk container for Pharo, I've just loaded the code into that, put it into a GitLab container, and render has picked up on it and it's just deployed it just now. So you can see that that has like now deployed and it's running. And so if I go to my, if I refresh this, that is now running on. Yeah, you can see there's like no tests, and it's just like, I haven't got the persistence bit working, but that has actually created a container, put it on render. It's now running on render, and then also the logging, I sort of sorted out the logging, so then you can use, where is the logging gone? Sorry. I'm trying to find.
You have 10 seconds.
I can't. Basically, you can use the web logging tools as well, so you get like a whole log of what has happened on your on your thing. So anyway, there you go.